Right, February 28th. Two trades today, HTGM and ROX. We'll start with HTGM. Um, my entries today wasn't 100% happy with them, but hopefully with the targets I have, my daily targets, I'll have some profit. I did play just a small position in these because of the entry yesterday. Like I said, I was hoping to catch this HTGM up here 316, and I missed it. And this morning as well, I got skipped on my entry, so a little bit of a kick in the ass there. Let's go back here and check out where I got in. So I got in here at 278. I had an entry right here too at the open. Uh, two 288, 287 I believe was where I was looking to get in, and just got skipped over, and it was a little frustrated that I got skipped out, up here. That was coming into the day. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna catch this. I was really hoping that it would actually come back, and in pre-market it was playing around these levels too. I think 310 was our pre-market high. I don't have pre-market data here, but it came up to 310, and I was like, you know what, I could take that, ride it down, but there was no setup for me. So you know what, I figured, just let it ride out, wait for the open. Maybe it'll jump back up, maybe even hit 316, 320. I can get better prices. My bias was short. I had a target in mind, so I was hoping it would come up. It didn't. It set up here, so missed my entry. Came back down, so I just kind of took it. I was like, you know what, I just want to get in. I wouldn't really say FOMO, just because my targets were still so far away. We'll get to that after, but I got in. It came down. It wasn't exactly a nice day watching these go up and down and up and down, and right around my entry level. So my P&L was red and green all day. At the end of the day, it was in the green, which was good, but my target is way down around this area here. So we'll probably go around 210, even a little above that. You know, the only issue right now is that 316. I was really hoping to catch that. That way I could set my stop limit up a little higher. Give me some breathing room. Today would be nice, but it is what it is. I'll just have to keep a little bit of a tighter stop. Keep a close eye on this one. Same thing with ROX today. Piece of shit stock. But same thing. Not really happy with my entry. Waiting for a decent setup, and right here was where I caught it. It was just too low. I think it didn't drop as I expected it to. Which, whatever. It's gonna happen. They're not all gonna be, hey, I get in and it dumps right down to the bottom. But I'll ride it out. I'm still in the green with this one, so it's fine. I'm just gonna play it out. But it would be nice to get up in somewhere up here. There's really no setup. But set up around here maybe. Yeah, it would be nice to get in around there, but I wasn't really watching this one as hard as the HTGM, because that one I knew I wanted to get in from yesterday, so I caught this one, after I got an HTGM, and I was like, hey, you know what, this looks good. I checked out the daily, it looked nice, it was gapped up, extended. I'll probably look to get out of here. I think 85 was my target, somewhere around there, a little above this. I don't want to play around these daily levels, this 200 moving average. I find with a lot of these gaps and the big extenders lately, there's just been a moving average just cutting right through these, so it puts a damper on my targets where I'm looking to come back down. And the moving average just went this 200. It really puts a lot of support in, I find. But regardless, I'm hoping this one, same thing. I'm gonna have to keep a close watch on this one. Tight stop. It would be nice if I caught it up near the top. That way I could, maybe set my stop limit up near the high of day, and even if tomorrow, it kind of breaks up a little bit, then, I still got a stop limit up here, or I might lose a few bucks, but I only played small, so like I said, I'm not too worried. If I hit my target, I hit my target, great. If I get stopped out, then whatever, it is what it is. But target down here, I wish I got in up here. I didn't. Shit happens. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully this thing just, I know there's a lot of bullish people with this stock right now. With their the news, they're going to be distributing in Walmart. But I don't really play fundamentals. I'm more of a charts guy. So to me, this is a good play. It's gapping up, big extension. It's got to come back down, right? It doesn't have to, but that's my play. Hopefully it comes back down. And see what happens. See you tomorrow.